In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the World of Warcraft Find Your Character Instagram filter. Okay, so this is super simple to do, and once you've loaded up Instagram, you just want to tap on that little magnifying icon at the bottom next to the home button. And then in the search bar, you want to search for Warcraft. And once it's popped up, you tap on Warcraft, and then you want to go to their filters tab underneath the story highlights. It's the third option. And here you'll see the Find Your Character from Warcraft filter. And if you go ahead and tap on that, what it's going to do is going to scroll through all the characters and then randomly land on one of the characters. And then from this screen, you can hit the little download button to add it to your camera so you can quickly access it later. Or you can hit the little try it button with the camera, and then you'll be able to try the filter directly from there. And then once you've got a video on Instagram, if you want to, you can download it and then use it on any other social media that you would like. So that is how you get the World of Warcraft Find Your Character Instagram filter. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.